going rounds, which has to do with a statement that is accredited to the former governor of Rivers State, Sir Dr. Peter Odili. I do know Odili very well, and I don't need to ask him, and I don't need to confirm from him, because I know him. He's a man who thinks before he speaks. That statement is absolutely false. It's absolutely a fabrication of a fickle-minded people. It's not true, and it can never be true. It can never be true, with emphasis. Odili never made that statement. And unfortunately, the fabric of that rumor or that statement that accredited to him is based on falsehood. Because nothing like that happened at the villa. The president never asked Odili to sign the peace accord. The only assignment given to Odili discharged it very creditably well and discharged it very well to the admiration of the president. And that is that he should read the presidential mandate. And his word was, I hereby carry out this presidential directive. And that is it. But I'm very worried and I'm very concerned. I'm concerned for Mr. President, our president, President Bola Tinubu. I'm very concerned for him. I'm very worried about him. Because I have, in several locations and in several public forums, have heard him express good respect for Odili. And he has accorded Odili high level of trust and respect. And Odili has also, in several forums where I have been, also accorded Bola Tinubu such respect. And so my worry is this: if Tinubu respects Odili, which of course I'm affirming that he does respect Odili, and Odili in turn respects Tinubu, and if the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, actually respects Mr. President, he will not disrespect Odili. And the fact that he's showing high level of disrespect to Odili means that he has no infinitesimal respect for Mr. President. And my worry for Mr. President is the fact that condoling this means he's incubating his own worms of disrespect that will burst very soon. I know him. When he was a senator in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mr. President I was the local government chairman. I also know the relationship between himself and Odili. When he was governor of Lagos State and Odili was the governor of Rivers State, I was commissioner for works under Odili, and I know their relationship. And that you have. So this is a calculated attempt. I know the antics and the tactics of Wike. This is one of it. I will not be surprised if in a few minutes he will come to say he knows nothing about it. If you can come online to say that he's not aware of the deflection of the 25 House of Assembly members, that they were singing the same song he sang a few days before, they danced, acted the way he acted, and the leader that emerged was his backman when he arrived for that weekend. Mr. President has to take it. But unfortunately, and I must say unfortunately, it is a wrong tactics they have applied. And I think Rivers people are ready, they are willing, and they are ready, and they are well prepared to say no to this very imbecilic attitude to tarnish the image of our leader in Rivers State.
We don't want to assume. We don't